your live Doppler 8 First Alert weather.
Well, good evening. You're taking a live look over the city of Columbia at the 6 o'clock hour. We started our Saturday morning today with some thunderstorms in the area, and now taking a look at our satellite radar, you can see that area. There's a line of stretching of some rain starting to develop out to our east and has moved out of the Columbia area. But as our night continues, you may see another chance for some stray storms to pop up, but nothing too severe. We have no severe thunderstorm watches or warnings for our area at this hour, and we'll make sure to keep an eye on it until it's fully out of the area. Taking a look at the satellite radar for the past 12 hours, you can see those strong thunderstorms that had pushed through at about the 4 or 5 o'clock hour this morning, since moved on eastward and diminished out in Kentucky. But here behind it is the next line that has started to spread from about Quincy, Illinois, all the way straight down to Tulsa, affecting parts of Missouri. And down south, actually, in Lawrence County, they're under a severe thunderstorm warning, but that's way down south, and we don't have to worry about any severe weather here in central Missouri at this time. Well, taking a look at temperatures, we're in the upper 70s here in Columbia, Kirksville, also up in Lincoln, Nebraska. But you can see stretches of upper 70s, low 80s, out in St. Louis, 87, down in Cape Girardeau at 86. Taking a look closer to home, 81 right now in Jefferson City, 79 down at Lake of the Ozarks, 81 in Rolla, and out to our west, some upper 70s for Marshall, Sedalia, Clinton, and Odessa. Well, here in Columbia, we're at 76 degrees with a dew point at 73. As those two temperatures start to get a little closer together, you're going to see an increase in humidity. Right now, we're at 91% with some light showers in the vicinity. We also have falling pressure and winds out of the north-northeast. As our night continues, you're going to start to see those winds fully shift out of the east as that low pressure system starts to move out of the area. Well, this day back in 2003, we had a record high of 102 degrees. Today, we reached 86, so a lot cooler. We also had a low of 67, so as you can see, we are about average for this time of the year in middle of August. We also had a little bit of precipitation this morning, but we are still below average for our month and year totals. Not by much, though, and as we have some slight precipitation in the area that might change as before the day is over. Taking a look again at national satellite and radar, there's the storms almost linear to the ones that affected Chicago, Indiana, up in Michigan, and here again is the next line of storms affecting our area. Out to the north, though, you can see areas of Nebraska experiencing some clear skies. That's what's in store for us. They have a high pressure system over them that's going to slide through into our area in the overnight hours as that rain passes through. So here's the rain in the next few hours, pushing its way out east, and here comes the high pressure system from the north with lots of sunshine for your area. Our area, so you're going to see clear skies, hot and humid temperatures actually for your Sunday, so something to keep in mind for any plans for tomorrow. A recap for tonight, though, you're going to see our temperature is getting down to 68 degrees. We have those showers early, moving out of the area within the next few hours, probably about 10:30, 11 o'clock. You're going to see clearing and making way for mostly cloudy skies. We're going to have winds out of the east calmly at 5 to 10 miles per hour. For your Sunday, we do have temperatures up to 87 degrees. So it's going to be mostly sunny, hot and muggy, and winds still out of the east at 5 to 10. Dew points are going to be in the lower 70s, so it's going to be a little bit uncomfortable out there. So if you have any plans, make sure to keep that in mind. Taking a look at your 5-day forecast, we'll have hot temperatures for Monday with lots of sunshine. Next chance of rain is on Tuesday, and we'll have some chance for some thunderstorms for your Wednesday. We're going to see a decrease in temperature as we hit into Thursday, and it'll slowly decline down into Sunday. So if you have any plans tonight, it'd be a great idea to bring the umbrella, at least for the next few hours. But, you know, in the overnight, around midnight, you're going to see it clearing up. So lots of sunshine for tomorrow.
All right, looking forward to it.
Thank you,
Christine.
Well, another day.